Today's video will discuss the last two stanzas of the poem The Patriot. We have already completed stanza 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what left? Stanza 4, 5 and 6. So, what we have seen in stanza 3 and 4. Stanza 3 and 4 are just foil opposite to the stanza 1 and 2. Exactly 1 year back, the Patriot was received in a grand manner, highly appreciated, welcomed, loved by all. Even people were in hurry, in rush to see their beloved Patriot. Now, the fortune reversed. For whom? For the Patriot. Due to his overwhelming ambition, he wanted to do something extraordinary for the people, for his dear countrymen. But for certain reason, it went wrong. And now he is an object to be hated by all. Everyone hates him. He has fallen from the zenith of heaven to the nadir of hell. So, this is a drastic transformation in the character of this Patriot. Now, in this video, we will discuss stanza 5 and stanza 6. The reason behind his fall is not directly mentioned. So, here we have to assume something, that due to certain circumstance or certain reason, the Patriot was having such kind of fortune. And obviously, it is what? That some error committed by him, but it was not intentional. He wanted to do good for the countrymen, and he was misunderstood. He is not forgiven for his error. The good deeds he had done could not justify the bad thing he has done. So, he is in the shambles gate. All gathered at the shambles gate, that means the place of execution, and for the perfect view at the platform, near the platform where he is going to be punished or beheaded. Very tragic and obviously very touching. At certain extent, we feel pity for Patriot. Keep it in mind, this is the situation of the contemporary world too. Our sentiment is too fragile, too weak, and we forget everything very quickly. Poet is dead against that very kind of sentiment that we possess. We should not be so much fragile while judging anyone. The sentiment should be kept alive inside us so that it should not change drastically in the course of time. Stanza 5 starts with I go in rain and more than needs. Now, the Patriot is walking in rain. He is being handcuffed and he is now taken to the shambles, the place of execution. He is walking in rain and more than need. That means it is raining more than necessary. It was raining torrential. That's good. At least it would hide the tears of the Patriot. A rope cut both my wrist behind. Since he was handcuffed, what happened? Both the hands were tied very tightly and somehow it got cut. So, he was bleeding. And I think by the feel, he thinks with the feelings he has got. Which feelings? That my forehead bleeds. He was bleeding heavily through his forehead. For the fling, whoever has a mind, fling means throwing something, throwing sharp objects. Those whoever had mind, very ironical statement, those people who are intelligent, actually they are fool, that is the irony here. They threw stones at him. Those people who are throwing petals at him, now today they are throwing stones at him. Why? In order to show their hatred for the Patriot. So, those who had mind, those who are intelligent, they threw stones at him for my year's misdeed, for the wrong thing. Misdeed means the wrong things, wrong deeds he has done throughout the year. Very ironical statement. Whoever has mind, that means those who are intelligent. Actually, those who are fools, they are throwing stones at him. So, here we got two type of people. At least they have little bit of sympathy for Patriot. They did not throw stone at least, and those who are dead enemy of Patriot, they are throwing stones at him. So he was going in rain, and it was raining torrential. Thus I entered, thus I go. Very eternal statement that we can find in every religious scripture. The way he came to the world, in the same way he will leave the world. He came to the world empty-handed, without any social, without any economical possession. And the way he will go, without any name, without any fame, without any possession or wealth, he will leave the world. So here entered means born or birth, and I go means death. The way he came to the world, the same way he will leave the world. In triumphs, people have dropped down death. In triumphs, when he won something, when he did something good, people drop down their dead. That means people bow down. Here, drop down means bow down their head, just like dead people, just like machines, just like robot. The people bowed down their head when the Patriot received any kind of victory. So you can see the people were great followers of him when he was victorious, but when he is a failure, all left his company. So the way he came to the world, the way he will go. His name, fame, nothing he will take. Wealth, everything is taken back by the people, and he will go empty-handed. Paid by the world, what do you owe me? God might question. He will die soon, and he will reach the abode of heaven or hell, whatever it is. And God may question him. God may ask him that, what will be asked, that what he would owe from me means God. Here me, capital, means God. What he would receive from God is paid by the world. A man, a woman, a human deserve punishment from God, blessings from God as reward from God, not from the world. But in case of Patriot, what happened? The reward he would get from God. The reward or punishment, whatever it is, he owed from the God, is already paid by the world. His punishment is done. He is handcuffed, imprisoned, and sentenced to death, and will be executed soon. So God will ask him question, or God will give him the statement that what you owe from me, that means what you would receive from me, is already paid by the world. So he would not get anything else from God, neither punishment, no reward. Now instead, it's God shall repay. Instead of punishment, the God will repay him. What will the God repay? The God will reward him something. I am safer so. So God will not give him any more punishment, and he feels in a safer custody. At least the worldly creature, that means human beings, will not be there to torture him anymore, to insult him anymore, and humiliate him anymore. So he would be in safer custody when he will reach God. So here ends the poem. So you can see in the stanza 5 and 6, there is a tone of melancholy, there is a tone of protest in Patriot, but the tone is very, very silent. So here the protest is a silent protest that the Patriot had towards the people. And what further we learn from his behavior, that he has no more wish, he has no more strength to fight with the world. He already did great things for the people, for the society, for the country. He was appreciated and welcomed, and all the appreciation, welcome, love got forgotten within a year. So fragile, so weak is the sentiment of people, and ultimately he is punished. This is found in present world also. the socio-political issues we can find. Many people who are supposed to be hero, who are supposed to be the leader, are often changed, are often terminated by political issues, and those who are supposed to be hero, they become villain in front of us, and those who are supposed to be villain get transformed into hero. So, this is a common thing that happens all around the world. Patriot is not a single one, he is not the only one, he is the representative of those people who suffer undeserved fate. That means they deserve undeserved, means they experience such kind of things which they should not deserve. They obviously deserve something better. So, it is very relevant if it is asked, how is the poetry related to the present world? Now, what is the error done by the patriot, that is not clearly mentioned here. So, do not try to make any assessment on the basis that he was trying to do that. Instead, make a general statement that he wanted to do something extraordinary for the people, for the betterment of the people, for his loving countrymen, but he failed, and for his failure he became a reason, he became a thing to be hated. So, we should not make any direct statement about the error committed by the patriot, instead make a general statement. Further, we can talk about the society. We are just like the same society here. We often blown away by the media, we often blown away by the fake journalism or fake news and consider someone as villain or hero. So, this is a matter of great importance. What we should have? We should have a strong sentiment that should remain unchanging. It should not be a transitional one, that it changes with the course of time. Instead, it should be a valid one. And if we look at the poem from the beginning till the end, this is a perfect example of tragedy. At the beginning, the tone, and at the ending, the tone are totally opposite. A kind of literary oxymoron can be found here in the first and the last. So, we should go through the poem thoroughly, make assessment of each and every word and sentence written here. Finding any doubt, we should make detailed analysis of that one. You can contact me in case of any doubt or any problem that you have. Thank you very much.